Hi, while I'm working on the next video in my series on sales processes, I had this thought pop up in my head. It's something that's been vexing me for a while regarding my work and regarding the kind of people that I come across when working. An integral part of running a business is having the right people, and it's very important to have the right mix of people. You can't just have highly experienced people, and neither can you have highly inexperienced people. So whenever we think about recruitment or think about our employees, we always look at how to balance this mix of experience and inexperience. What I find really interesting is that while there are quite a few experienced people out there who are suitable for most organizations, there are very few inexperienced people out there who are suitable for any organization. And something that's bothered me for maybe the last 3-4 years is the fact that many of these graduates, students who pass out of engineering colleges, or maybe it's a diploma or an ITI, they have a sense of entitlement. This is really unfortunate if you ask me, because I don't think that these kids who have just passed out have developed this sense of entitlement on their own. I personally feel that it's the parents and society at large that has fooled them into thinking that they are entitled to get the perfect job at the perfect company at the perfect salary. Unfortunately, that's not the reality. 99 out of 100 do not have any of the prerequisite skills required to get a job. Neither do they have a grasp of the basics. The very reason that they went to college in the first place is to get a grasp of the basics, right? That's what colleges and schools do, gives you the basic foundation. So neither do they have those basics, nor do they have life skills. They have no idea how to dress appropriately, behave appropriately, interact with colleagues appropriately, work in teams appropriately, meet customers, customer demands appropriately. They have none of the worldly skills required to be effective at work. So in reality, what's really bothering me is the fact that not only do these freshers or fresh graduates have none of the skills required to join, but they have this feeling of entitlement that they deserve a certain level of salary, a certain title, a certain position within the organization. But do they deserve it? I don't think so. So whenever I am approached, or whenever my organization is approached by a fresh graduate to join, we try to tell them that the first 3 months or 6 months or 1 year or 2 years is actually an opportunity for them to learn. It's an opportunity for them to develop a skill. It's an opportunity for them to understand whether the field in which they're getting into is one that they're passionate about. So, who is giving them these opportunities? The business, of course. The entrepreneur who's running the business. In return, I believe that he's only expecting that person to work as hard as they can, to get good at their job as fast as they can, and to start giving something in return, which is the ability to generate revenue for the organization. So what about things like designation and salary during this initial period? If you ask me, they shouldn't expect anything more than a basic minimum salary and a title of apprentice or junior trainee engineer. And they should be using their hands and their minds to learn those skills. Unfortunately, the trend that I see is more often than not, even if the kids themselves are ready to give this a shot and ready to learn a new skill, the parents still dissuade them I've had so many instances of fresh graduate engineers joining and leaving the organization in a matter of a few weeks, simply because the parents don't want their kids to be traveling, to be going to tough environments to work, to get dirty. How do you expect these kids to find the right career unless they have all those experiences? I believe we are moving in a direction where it is inevitable that everybody who passes out will have to join organizations as apprentices and learn a skill, because companies going forward will no longer be able to afford you, will no longer be able to give you that ripe salary that you were promised by your parents when they said join engineering or join MBA. So if you are a fresher, somebody who's just passed out of college, take things into your own hands. Join an organization at basic minimum salary. Agree to work with your hands. Learn a skill. Make sure you know how to work in teams. Because it's only a question of spending 1 or 2 years doing this, right? Once you know what you want to do, and once you're good at what you can do, you will find that perfect job. Because there is always demand for skilled, passionate people, no matter what the field is. So that's my little rant. I had to get this off my chest. I've been thinking of making a video about this for a very long time. I think personally, if you ask me, I haven't been able to express my feelings well enough. I have not ranted enough. But yeah, if you know somebody who's really wondering what they have to do with their life and they are not getting that perfect job, I suggest that you ask them to watch this video and get their act together.